In this video guys, I'm going to show you step by step how you can get your first 1000 subscribers. I'm going to share with you my method that I use to get my first 1000 subscribers step by step. So this will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So let's get started. So what you need to do, as you can see, my channel has now 2000 subscribers and it's growing, and I'm going to share with you the method that you can use to get your first 1000 subscribers. So what you need to do guys is you just need to go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, just go to your YouTube homepage, click over here on the search. Okay, search for YouTube promotion groups. Okay, search for YouTube promotion groups, and what you will do, you should see over here filter, scroll down and choose groups. Okay, we will promote our YouTube channel in those groups. Those groups has a lot of people here that will help you. They will subscribe to your YouTube channel, and you can also subscribe to their YouTube channel. They are helping each other in those groups. So what you will do, you just need to click over here on join, and you need to join those groups. Okay, so make sure to join all those groups. After you finish, click on the first. So just go to the group that you want to promote your YouTube channel on. So for example, let's take this group, scroll down, and if you scroll down, you should see over here there are a lot of people here are promoting their YouTube videos and channels. Okay, so what you will do, you have two options. Okay, so what you will do, you can click over here on write something, and you will put your YouTube videos link here or your YouTube channel link. So for example, let's go to, so for example, you want to promote this video, you will just copy the link of this video like this. Okay, and I will go back to Facebook, and I will put to this Facebook group, I will put my YouTube video link like this, as you can see. And as you can see, this is my link, and I can click over here on post. Okay, and this video will be promoted on this group. Okay, or what you will do next, you will go to the comments. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's click over here on view more comments, and you will put your YouTube video link in this post. For example, as you can see, a lot of people are using this group, as you can see. Okay, so what you will do, you can put your YouTube video link here in the comments like this, and you can click over here on comments, and your video will be posted in this post in the comments. Okay, and you can ask those people to subscribe to your YouTube channel, and anyone who will subscribe, you will also subscribe back to his YouTube channel, and you can guys help each others on those groups to get your first 1000 subscribers for free. Okay, so there are a lot of people here who will help you, as you can see. So make sure to join a lot of groups. Like I said, as you can see, you can find YouTube USA groups, Canadian USA groups. So for example, this one, Canada, for people who are from Canada that has YouTube channels, and so on. Okay, from USA, as you can see, United States, as you can see over here. So that's how you can get your first 1000 subscribers. Make sure to start promoting your YouTube channel in those groups. There are a lot of people here who will help you. They will subscribe to your YouTube channel if you have good content, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching guys. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like and leave a comment, and see you in my next video.